This is a story about a free speech federal court case and witness intimidation. A citizen was being threatened by his city government for speaking out at the monthly city council meeting about city police operations. The citizen filed a federal lawsuit alleging government retaliation for exercising his right to free speech. During that lawsuit, the city was required to disclose any documents related to the citizen or the lawsuit. Any memos that discussed the citizen or the lawsuit were specifically requested, but throughout the lawsuit, the city did not disclose them. From documents received in response to a Freedom of Information request, it was discovered that 3 specific memos actually existed. Again, these memos were obtained outside of the litigation because the city was hiding them. Withholding evidence that is required to be disclosed during a lawsuit is a violation of civil court procedure, and the party doing so should be sanctioned by the court. The 3 memos were directly relevant to the court case. The first memo was from the city manager threatening a department head with termination for having a conversation with the citizen. The second memo was the department head promising not to talk to the citizen again and begging for his job. The third memo was the city manager agreeing to only suspend the department head. This memo was alt-circulated to other city employees as a warning to not cooperate with legitimate discovery in the lawsuit. The city employee did nothing wrong, but was in fact cooperating with the ideals of government transparency and accountability. The city manager, who was a named defendant in the case, was using his power over employees' jobs to intimidate them into not cooperating and even lying under oath in depositions. All of these facts were presented to the court in more than one motion for sanctions. The court denied those motions, completely ignoring undisputed proof of witness intimidation. The lower court's decision was appealed to a higher court, who also failed to hold the city accountable for either the witness intimidation or the unlawful withholding of the 3 memos. The law on witness intimidation is clear, and the facts in the case were undisputed, but both courts ignored the law to protect the city government official. This type of repeated protection of government officials in government courts emboldens government employees to ignore the law. The Foundation for Judicial Reform is advocating for change that would hold courts accountable for not doing their duty to uphold the constitutional rights of citizens. Constitutional rights do not actually exist where judges are not held accountable for ignoring the laws they are oath-bound to enforce. There are ways to remedy this. That's what our foundation is attempting to do. If you have a story about the courts not upholding the Constitution, please visit judicialreformfoundation.org and share it. Please also help us raise awareness about these issues by sharing this video. Thank you for your support.